Welcome back to another video. Today in this video we will discuss about some candlestick patterns. Candlestick pattern is a basics of trading, but it is very important to understand if you want to learn trading. And I will tell you some important candlestick pattern. So watch till the end. So without wasting time, let's go to the screen. As you can see, first of all we understand the basics of candle. The important things is to understand that the opening and closing and so as you can see, this is the body and these are wicks. जो बड़ी सी है ये, इसको बॉडी बोलते हैं. ये जो होती है विक, इट इज़ नॉट इम्पोर्टेंट बट फॉर नॉलेज दैट्स this is the high and this is the low, and this is the opening of candle and the closing of candle. This is very important to understand that the price is opening here, then it went down, then it came back and then made a high, and then again this their position. This is called the open, low, high and close. So it is a basics you have to know for knowledge. This is a doji candle. As you can see on इसकी जो है बॉडी बहुत स्मॉल बॉडी एंड बिग्स इज टू लॉन्ग. इसका जो ओपनिंग जो है यहाँ पर होती है, देन बैंड लो एंड देन गो हाई एंड देन अगेन एट द पॉइंट, एंड दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड अ कन्फ्यूजन कैंडल. इट्स मीन कि मार्केट आर कन्फ्यूज, बुलिश है बेरिश है, वी कांट टेल कि मार्केट अब क्या करने वाली है. इसलिए जो बहुत ज़्यादा कंफ्यूज होते हैं, इसलिए इसे कंफ्यूजन कैंडल भी कह देते हैं. एंड दिस इज़ कॉल्ड द हैमर, दिस लाइक अ हथौड़ा. एंड ये हैमर कैंडल है, इसकी बॉडी जो होती है बहुत छोटी होती है एंड विक इज़ टू लॉन्ग. दिस इज़ द बुलिश हैमर and this is the bearish hammer. In the market, when the price is coming down and just there is support and that is take that support and that went up, and this is called hammer. And this is exactly with this candle. This is the bearish hammer. This its support is take a resistance and went down, and this is called a shooting star, and it's also called a morning star. It look like a hammer, but there is a upper wick is too long and it's short wick and the short body. And this is the dominance candle, the big body and the short and the small wick, and it's shows a strength, means it's a bullish dominance and maybe a bearish dominance. This is the bearish dominance and this is the bullish dominance. These candles are the very powerful and show the strength. It's mean market में strength है. And this is the TWS. What do I mean? It's mean three white soldier. It is also called a three white soldier. It's mean it's when the market coming down and the formation of these three white soldier. It's mean it's and there is a maybe a support. It's start going up, and there's the three white soldier. It's a very powerful. When the three, it may be of FVG in market like this and start when ट्रेंड रिवर्सल ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ट्रेंड, थ्री ब्लैक क्रोस या फिर थ्री ब्लैक क्रोस या फिर थ्री और कैन बी थ्री रेड सोल्जर. It's a very powerful pattern when it form up, and it's form and it's take resistance and start going down, change its trend by these three red soldiers. It may be a black cross, and this is called a bullish engulfing. When the market is coming down in the formation of these candles, it's at a support and so whatever, and it start going up. It's engulf. Why it's engulf? When engulf means to eat the others, the previous candle. As you can see, here is a it's this big green candle. It's engulf the previous candle and then down and start going up, and similarly, as you can see, here is a bearish engulfing, similar that this red candle, bearish candle, engulf the previous the candles 50% and start going down.